What's different about the pickup truck's RV? What about the first car I introduced to you today? A scenic traveler from the original factory in Changan. What about this car? First of all, there are a few selling points. The first one, it is an original extended range mid-energy RV. Matches a 31.8-degree electric build with a 70-liter fuel tank. The comprehensive cruising range is very high. The second one is worry-free electricity. A 31.8 kWh battery can both drive. At the same time, it can provide us with the bed box, used as household electricity. And thirdly, the height is absolutely okay. Garage, please. After rising to the top, it is such a height. 80厘米 raised height can satisfy our surgeon and the various needs of travel. The cockpit is as comfortable as a passenger car. It drives very lightly. At the same time, its entire curved screen. All functions are within easy reach. What about this car at the same time? The entire interior of the package and its overall comfort, like our sedans and SUVs. At the same time in this car, we have a time-sharing four-wheel drive. Rain and snow weather is very convenient, with differential lock, and the comfort of its seats is also very good. Entire seat wrapping and long-distance driving experience. It's the same as a car. At the same time, this car has a double row, front and rear double rows, in the space in the back row. We don't care whether it's storage or home riding. Are very convenient. This car is more suitable for us to use in urban areas. Let's go to the rear compartment to take a look at it after it rises. Its thermal insulation is very excellent. At the same time, a combination lock is optional in this door, and after door design, it has emery in it. It's an inner door. At the same time we enter the door, this place, there is an external shower like ours. It's a room you wash our feet outside or in the sand. It is very convenient after coming up from the beach, including washing up outside. Pots and pans are very convenient to use. At the same time, this place we can all take a look at. Our main switch, and all of our surveillance systems, security system, air conditioners including cold air and warm air are available in this place. Let's go inside and feel it together. After coming in, the first is our oversized. A triple bed close to us to is 1.8. More space for a double bed. Comfort is good, and the height of this bed. After the body comes down, we have a washer for it. Can let out our bedding. This doesn't affect either. Also within us. In the meeting area or lounge area, the car seat space can also be tiled to change the bed, or to and such a bed. The table in this place can be lifted and lowered. At the same time, the induction cooker on his side can also be portable. Inside you make tea and rice, including what we can take out when we go outside. This place is also very convenient. Let's talk about our kitchen area again. Such a built-in microwave oven on top. 100-liter freezer under the freezer. Can let go of our spring, summer, autumn and winter. What about the right-hand side? It's one of our bathroom settings. This one-piece design is a patented product of Changan. It prevents us from accidentally touching the wrong operation. Protection in place. Open at the same time. Inside, we have a pull-out shower like this. You can wash the basin or take a shower. Also a portable toilet. The overall waterproof effect is also quite poor. This car, something that satisfies all of our travels. This length is 5 meters 6. Height 2 meters 9. Parking spaces in the garage are very convenient. If you want to choose one, our unoriginal trunk. It increases the length by almost 30 cm, but its storage space. And when we cook outdoors, its entire storage space will be very generous. Very convenient. If you want an off-road 4x4, you can also get off your garage trailer in the city. Then this car is one of your must-haves.